Most eco-lodge and glamping operators treat conservation as a hidden expense, a line item that quietly eats your margins every season. You spend money planting trees, restoring soil, protecting watersheds, and your guests have absolutely no idea. But what if that spending became your single strongest selling point?
We're moving beyond basic sustainability, using hard scientific data like soil carbon metrics, reforestation, and biodiversity to embed real restoration costs into booking fees. Not as guilt or vague green surcharges, but as a transparent, valuable proposition that travelers seek and are willing to pay extra for. By the end of this, you'll have a framework to turn your conservation budget into a competitive advantage, justifying higher prices and increasing guest loyalty. Most eco fees fail because they are flat, perceived as taxes, and unappealing. In 2026, the ideal traveler has grown skeptical due to greenwashing and unfulfilled eco-promises. They want active, measurable, regenerative outcomes, not passive sustainability measures like solar panels and composting, which are just the basics now.
Sophisticated eco-travelers want to know that their booking truly makes an impact. This year, the soil carbon on your property has increased. You've successfully planted 400 native trees in the first quarter, and you can confidently name each species. Additionally, the macroinvertebrate count in your on-property stream has improved significantly following your successful riparian restoration project. When you can show that, when you price for that, you're no longer competing on amenities or location. You're competing on impact. And impact is something guests will pay premium prices for, talk about, and come back to see progress on. That shift, from passive sustainability to active, priced, science-backed regeneration, is your competitive edge. Let's talk about how to build it. The foundation of regenerative pricing is what I call the scientific line item. Instead of a single vague fee, you break your restoration work into specific, measurable activities and attach a cost to each, not an invented number, a real cost based on what it actually takes to do the work. Here are the 3 categories every eco-lodge or glamping operation should have.
Category 1. Soil recovery.
This is an important story to share, even if it's not always visible. Many rural properties are dealing with degraded soil, whether from compaction, erosion, or a lack of organic matter. Revitalizing this soil is essential and involves practices such as cover cropping, composting, reducing cattle pressure, using biochar amendments, and sometimes even rethinking grazing methods. Now, you might wonder about the costs. A well-managed soil recovery program for a 50-hectare property could run between $4,000 to $9,000 a year. If you break that down over your annual room bookings, it comes out to about $8 to $20 per reservation. But here's the fun part. It's not just about charging for it. It's about measuring the impact. By doing a soil carbon baseline test, a simple lab analysis, you can see how your efforts pay off. By repeating this test annually, you gather valuable data to share with your guests. Imagine telling them, "Thanks to your stay with us, we've boosted our organic matter from 2.1% to 2.8% over the last 18 months. That's a captivating story and something your guests will love to mention in their reviews.
Category 2. Reforestation.
This aspect is often more relatable to our guests, yet many operations still struggle to price and document it accurately. When we think about planting a native tree, it encompasses much more than just the act itself. It involves careful selection of species, sourcing from local genetic stock, diligent site preparation, skilled planting labor, protection against browsing animals, and a commitment to monitoring tree health for 3 years. When we invest the time and resources to do this right, the cost for a well-planted and properly monitored native tree typically ranges from $12 to $35, depending on the region and species. So, if your annual reforestation goal is to plant 500 trees, that could cost $6,000 to $17,500 each year. If we spread this cost across our bookings, it amounts to an additional $12 to $35 per stay, depending on occupancy. It's important to remember that the data we collect is a precious part of our offering. Sharing the species name, displaying a planting map on our website, and sending guests a photo of their tree can greatly enhance their experience. This approach not only enriches guest experience, but also transforms how we communicate our pricing strategy, emphasizing our shared commitment to the environment.
Category 3. Watershed and biodiversity monitoring.
Let's dive into an area that often gets overlooked, but it shouldn't. More and more guests are realizing that healthy water systems and vibrant biodiversity are key signs of a truly functioning ecosystem, not just a pretty view. By monitoring your riparian zones, keeping an eye on bird and pollinator populations, and testing water quality, you're gathering valuable data. This is what sets you apart from other eco-lodges that say, "We love nature." Starting a basic monitoring program, think 2 to 3 field sessions each year, along with species counts and water testing, typically costs between $1,500 and $4,000 annually. That breaks down to about $3 to $8 per booking, which is quite manageable. When you combine these 3 focus areas, you can create a transparent, data-backed restoration fee ranging from $23 to $63 per booking, depending on your program's scale and occupancy. It's not just a vague surcharge, it's a clear investment in tangible outcomes for your specific piece of land. This makes for a much more engaging and meaningful conversation with your guests at checkout. Let me give you a simple 3-tier structure that you can adapt for your property.
Tier 1. The baseline restoration booking.
This option is designed to provide a seamless experience for guests while making a positive impact. Here, the restoration fee is included in the nightly rate, so there's no need to worry about separate charges. We handle the essential restoration work on your behalf, and you'll receive a straightforward annual impact report via email that showcases the positive outcomes of your stay. This approach is perfect for those who care deeply about the environment but prefer not to get bogged down in the details. It's a simple yet meaningful way to position yourself as a truly regenerative property, allowing you to enjoy your stay while knowing you're contributing to something much bigger.
Tier 2. The named restoration. Stay.
Welcome to the next level of your offering, where your pricing solidifies into a standout product. Upon check-in, each guest is presented with a concise impact brief outlining this season's active restoration activities, current metrics, and the specific contributions their stay makes. The restoration aspect is prominently featured, celebrated, and embraced, never hidden or downplayed. Set the pricing for this tier to $30 to $60 above your baseline rate. Many operators find that this tier resonates exceptionally well with guests who discover you through regenerative travel searches, permaculture communities, or conservation philanthropy channels.
Tier 3. The restoration partner. Stay.
This is our premium offering, designed for those seeking a transformative experience. Expect a longer stay or an intimate small group adventure where guests fully engage in restoration efforts. Participate in a hands-on morning with our soil scientist, a rewarding tree planting session, and a guided watershed walk complete with data collection. Guests will leave with their own meaningful data contribution to our monitoring program. We price this exclusive tier at 1.5 to 2 times our standard nightly rate, with a minimum stay of 3 nights. Here, restoration work isn't just an add-on, it's the centerpiece of an unforgettable experience. Here is where most well-intentioned operations destroy their own credibility. They make promises they can't prove. We're carbon neutral. Great, show me the methodology. We plant a tree for every booking. Wonderful. What species? What's the survival rate after 3 years? We support local conservation. Which organizations? What outcomes?
Guests willing to pay premium prices for regenerative experiences are likely to research claims, risking loss of bookings, referrals, reviews, and trust if language is vague. The rule: never claim more than you can measure. Start small with one program, document it with tests, logs, species lists, and photos. Price is based on what you actively do and measure, not aspiration. Guests value honesty and progress, building loyalty. It's a mindset shift. Restoration is a product, designed and priced intentionally. Future travelers seek authenticity, data, and specific stories. You already do the work. Now develop a pricing and communication strategy to turn it into a visible, measurable, premium value he.
If you want help building your specific restoration pricing model, I've put together a worksheet at the link below that walks you through calculating your per-booking restoration contribution based on your property size, current programs, and occupancy. It takes about 20 minutes and gives you a number you can actually defend. And if you found this useful, share it with one other operator who needs to hear it. The more properties that are priced for real regeneration, the stronger the whole market becomes for all of us. I'll see you in the next one.